Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about arguments in JavaScript. In JavaScript, every function have one parameter, and in that parameter we can pass n number of arguments, and those arguments can be function, a boolean, or any data type of JavaScript, an object. So if we write like this, here we can pass the arguments a comma b, let's say, and for now just try to print console.log a comma b, but this is not the case 10 comma 20. Sometimes we find different scenarios and we can see 20, but if I print one more argument here 30, then it will not print. And if I try to write something like C, it will give me an error, reference error, because C is not defined. So how to access the C? The C can be accessed via the arguments keyword with the index number of 2, and if I save now I can see the 30. So arguments can hold one object type array. Here you can see that object type array. If I try to print, and it will give me one object which has one array 0 1 2 with the index number, and these are the values of these are the elements, and with some properties and methods. So I can iterate using itr here, and here arguments.length. so this is, if I save, or it will not do anything. Let's create where arr, let's create one blank array, and here arr, and if I try to console log, I can get the pure array arr of I, sorry. So this is the pure array, but if I try to print arguments, and let's write like this, so it will be type of object. So this is object, this is not type of array. So, or we can use sometime array dot from I think it should work. If I say so, this also works like the same way we are doing here. So instead of doing this, we can use this. So it will give us a copy of plain array, and now we can perform some operation. Let's say pop on this array, and we can see that it is pop. Now the value of arr is 10 and 20 because 30 is removed. So this is very useful when you don't know how many number of arguments a user can pass. And what else? There is one more method called callee on argument that is useful when you want to use recursion in a function. So then you can use arguments.callee. For now I am just trying to print that arguments.callee, so it will give us the definition of the function. You can see that the complete function is accessible. So here we can use some arguments or parameters and pass some arguments. So this is how we can use recursion. And sometimes nowadays people write here one more name instead of IMS function. We can write, let's say, ABC, and if I try to print ABC, the same thing. ABC, right? And I can check is equal to arguments dot callee. I'll get true. So these both things are same, so you can use it as per your need. Thanks. If you have any question, please comment it in the description. You can find the source code. Thank you.